What's up, Bella Group? It's your Shauna Bella, aka Rashauna. If you didn't know, now you know, and if you do, welcome back to my channel. So I know it has been like almost a month or a month. I think it has been a month since my last video. Let me explain this really quick to you guys before I get into the video, because I know you can already peep that title. So basically, it has been a month since I posted. Reason being, I started back posting around the busiest time of the year, which is like coming on to Christmas. So like after my birthday, and you know, all of that, November came, you know, whatever. In December, when December started, I was super busy. So it's like I didn't have time to do my videos. It's like I was working so much Christmas promotions and stuff like that. I was also doing a lot with my business in terms of getting packages and different stuff ready for my clients. So it's like I was super busy. Today is Christmas. Merry Christmas. As you can see, I have on my Christmas tee, so it says Merry Christmas, and it has a cute little shirt. I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. This is one of my Christmas gifts, and I was so excited when I saw it because I always wanted the Christmas PJs, and thanks mom for that. So yeah, I just wanted to make that clear before we go any further into this video. And the clips you saw is from today, so that is basically how my business room was decorated, my bedroom was decorated, my mom room was decorated, kitchen, everything. I had to show you guys the decorations because it was really cute this year. I mean, it's always been cute, but I really love everything and how it came together. As you can see, the room probably looked different from last time y'all saw the room. It was like literally orange, and all the walls are white, like sauce for me, because my business room is coming along really well. As you can see, a little patch of pink right there, because that's what the room is going to be, completely pink. But when I saw the white, I was like, the white looked kind of clean. Do I keep it white or do I put it pink? So I haven't made that decision as yet as to if I want to do it pink or I want to leave it white. But yeah, so this is basically my business room, and I'm super excited. It's not finished as I said, but I will keep y'all in the loop when it's completed and everything is on. In this section right here, we see this space, a door has to go there, so it's definitely not finished, but it's coming together, and I'm really excited. So with all of that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you aren't already subscribed, and stay tuned for more videos for the new years and years to come. So keep on watching the video. So in this clip here, I literally could not find my eyebrow brush, so I was kind of trying to play it off. Yeah, but there it is. I found it. So I like to start off with my brows first, so I'm just brushing my brows. So now I am using my dark brown eyebrow pencil, and I bought this from the local beauty supply store. It was really cheap for like $3, and it works well just like the expensive ones. Also, yes, I was jamming out to some music. It was not Christmas music, but I was having a vibe. I also was drinking some red wine I never tried before, and it was really good. So your girl was a bit lit. So now I am going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I believe this was in the shade Toffee, and I basically used this to highlight underneath my brows. So now I'm going to be using my fluffy brush. I got this brush set from Shein and it was really cute, so I had to buy it. They also have a lot of other brush sets that I want to buy for like my business and stuff like that, so you guys can check out Shein for the brushes because they actually work really well. So yes, these brows are coming together. Peep the arch. You know the brows look good when I do my dance. So now I am moving on to foundation. I had already placed my moisturizer. I just didn't show it in the camera because I forgot, but I used the Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer, and now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty primer. I was really excited to try this primer and also the foundation as well because I never used Fenty Beauty before. I always used to use Fit Me or Maybelline products, but I just wanted to try something different this year and kind of go with a more expensive brand so I can kind of test the difference between the two. So now that my face is primed and ready to go, I'm going to be going in with my foundation, also from Fenty Beauty, and this is in the shade 420. So before I go ahead and apply the foundation to my face, I'm just putting a little bit of the foundation in my same shade onto my palette so that I can apply to over my brows. So in this clip, y'all saw that I got really low. I was really intense in beating that face and making sure that that foundation blends really nice into my skin. I was also loving how it had my skin look so nice and flawless, so your girl was really getting into that blending. So now that we're finished blending that foundation out, I'm going back in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer to highlight. For my contour shade, I went a little bit too dark and I wasn't really liking that gray look that it was giving, but I used some eyeshadow which kind of correct the mistakes because I don't have a contour palette, or do I have the right shades in the Pro Concealers, but you can also use eyeshadow to correct any mistakes. So now, as you can see here, I am using the brown shade in my Juvia's Place palette, and this really brought back the look. So I'm going to be going in with that same fluffy brush and that same brown shade from my Juvia's Place palette to contour my nose. So now it's time for a blush. This is my favorite blush of all time. I am so sorry that I don't know the name of it because the name is starting to rub off from the packaging, but this brush is super cute. It has that pinkish purplish look to it, and the pigment is everything. So now we're moving on to mascara, and this is one of my favorite mascaras. This one is by Maybelline, and I am using one of their volume tip mascara brushes. And as you can see, this mascara really gives volume because your girl went from no lashes to lashes. So I am going back in with that same dark brown pencil that I used to do my brows to outline my lips, because it is also a multi-purpose pencil, so you can basically use it for anything, whether you want to do a wing liner, you want to highlight under your eyes, your brows, lips, whatever you need to do, this pencil will do the job. So now I am going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter palette, and I'm using the shade White Sand. So now I am going to be going in with my Moira setting spray, and this is the Prep, Prime and Set one. So now we're back to the lip, and we're about to add our color. So the lipstick I'm using is from ColourPop, and this is the Ultra Satin Lip, and this is in the color Ambush. And on to my favorite part, which is applying the lashes, because you know you can't have a glam face without those lashes. And as you can see already, the difference between the lash and the no lash is crazy, because your girl looking like two different people. Not me messing up the face already, and I haven't even took pictures yet. Okay guys, so this is basically the end of the video. But yeah, so this is how the look came out. I did like a red lip, just enough for Christmas, seeing that my Christmas outfit is green. Just do a pop of red lips, simple glam, no eyeshadow, just lashes, foundation, powder, concealer, you know, the whole full face prep, and then like a little red lip, and I outlined it with brown, as you could have seen in the video. It came out really cute, and this is the first time I was trying, this is the first time I was trying Fenty Beauty foundation and primer, and let me tell you, I love how the products applied. I like how it feels on my skin. The primer smells so good, and I just love it. I can't wait to get the other stuff, like the concealers and the highlighters, the mascara, the lipsticks. I am really excited to try it. So yeah guys, so basically for the new year I would like to upgrade my makeup. So nothing is wrong with hair store makeup, because as you can see in the video, I still use NYX and Fit Me foundations, powders and stuff like that. So don't get me wrong, those products work really well, but I just wanted to try something new, and I'm glad I made the purchase because it was worth it. It applied really well. I love how I have my skin feel really nice and soft. It's supposed to have my face matte all day, so I mean it's nighttime, so I can't really judge that. I will probably have to do my face like tomorrow because I have to work tomorrow, and then I have a client in the evening, so it's the best time for me to probably do this same look. I want to do this same look because I'm feeling it. I'm feeling the red lip. So I'm going to do this look again tomorrow, wear it throughout the day and see how long it lasts to see if it really lives up to the name. But I hope you guys enjoyed your Christmas as well. I hope you guys got what you wanted. I hope you were thankful for whatever you got, even if it wasn't what you wanted. And yeah, Merry Christmas once again. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you aren't subscribed already, and stay tuned for more videos. And comment down below what you guys want to see. I have some video ideas for the New Year's. I mentioned that like in my previous videos. I got some videos, guys. I got everything written down. Again, the supplies, everything that I need to do these videos for y'all, so stay tuned. And let me show you guys my Christmas outfit really quick before I go. So it is just this green, so it's just this green like top, and it came with these cute little shorts, these cute little like biker shorts, I guess you would call it. So yeah, it's super cute, and it says Merry Christmas on it. So again, Merry Christmas. I love you guys, and see you in my next one. Bye.